My one sweet girl, my one sweet girl. Not only you, girl, like MJ, rock my world.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? My name is African Joe and this is my YouTube channel. So, as you can tell from the title, this is another Igbo class, so I had to reintroduce myself according to the Igbo language. So, let's go. Kekime Ahamobu African Joe. Or, if you know me outside of this page, you can call me Jane. That's also my legal name, Jane. So, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. No, this is a very, very happy family. Peaceful together. We just want to learn Igbo, watch our vlogs, travel to different places, eat that good Igbo food, Yoruba food, whichever food we're eating that day. Just have a good time. Like we just want to have a good time today. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button and join the family members. Let's get right into today's lesson. Today's class, I'm going to be teaching you guys a few words or a few Igbo common phrases that you can use in your everyday conversation with people. So when you meet someone, you're not trying to ask them a closed question. Closed questions are questions that require answer yes or no. Is that your dog? Yes. Is that where you live? No. It doesn't allow the conversation to progress. But this 5 Y's and 1 H or WH questions allow you to have a very open question and for your conversations to advance better. I'm not an English teacher, but I'm trying to explain it in a way that we all understand because we know ourselves. Do you get what I mean? Because this is your family members here. So let's get right into today's phrase. Let's go. First WH question that we have is what happened? So you get somewhere, you arrive home, you go to a restaurant, whatever it is, and you want to ask someone what happened. You say kedu ihe mere. Say it with me, come on. Kedu ihe mere. Come on, say it with me, come on. Kedu ihe mere. That's kedu ihe mere. That means what happened. If you want to say what happened here, kedu ihe mere ba. Kedu ihe mere ba means here. So kedu ihe mere means what happened. Kedu ihe mere eba means what happened here. So let's go on to our next phrase. Okay, you want to ask someone, what did you do? You want to ask them, what did you do in a conversation? And you want to say that in Igbo. You say, kedu ihe I mere. Come on, tell me. Kedu ihe I mere. One more time, come on, baby. Kedu ihe I mere. Last time, but come on. Kedu ihe I mere. Kedu ihe mere. That's how you say, what did you do in Igbo? Kedu ihe I mere. Let's go on to our next. You also want to ask someone, what is the time? You're asking for time, you're lost, you're trying to find what the time is, and you want to ask that in Igbo. How do you go ahead and ask that in Igbo? You say, kedu ihe na kun. Kedu ihe na ako. That means what is the time? Kedu ihe na ako. Come on, say with me. Kedu ihe na ako. Last time, join it together. Kedu ihe na ako. That's what is the time in Igbo. As we usually say, pause this video, repeat the words till you get comfortable. No one is rushing you. I'm not rushing you. We take our time over here and we learn adequately. So let's go on to our next phrase. Okay, so you want to ask someone, where are you going? You want to join them, or you're like me, sometimes I like to be nosy and I want to ask you where you're going. So, so to ask someone, where are you going in Igbo, you say, ebe ka e naga. Come on, say with me. Ebe ka e na-aga. Last time. Ebe ka e na-aga. Join it together. Ebe ka e naga. So that's how you ask someone, where are you going? Let's go on to our next word. Okay. You want to ask someone, where do you live? You're trying to, find out where the person lives, or the person invited you over, and you're trying to ask them, what area do you live in, or where do you live? You say that in Igbo by saying, ebe ka ibi. Say with me. Ebe ka E-B. One more time. Ebe ka E-B. Join it together. Ebe ka E-B. That's how you ask, where do you live in Igbo? Let's go on to our next phrase. So you see someone and you're trying to ask them, how is your mom or how is your dad? How do you say that in Igbo? You say, kedu ka nne gi di? Say with me. Kedu ka nne gi di? If you want to say nna, or that's your dad, you say nna instead. Yeah? Join it together. Kedu ka nne gi di? Or kedu ka nna gi di? So nne is mom, nna is dad. So yes, thank you guys. Okay, so you've asked them how is your mom or your dad. You want to ask them how is your brother or sister doing. You say kedu ka nwanne gi nwanyi na-eme, or kedu ka nwanne gi nwanyi di. Let's say it again. Kedu ka nwanne gi nwanyi di? That means how is your sister doing. If you want to say how is your brother doing, you say kedu ka nwanne gi nwoke di. Nwanne gi nwanyi means your sister. Nwanne gi nwoke means your brother. So kedu ka dash di. So you say kedu ka nwanne gi nwanyi di. Kedu ka nwanne gi nwoke di. Kedu ka nne gi di. Kedu ka nna gi di. So that's just how you ask, how is this person? So yes, let's go on to our next phrase. So our last phrase for today is why. How do you ask why in Igbo? Maka gini. So maka gini. Why is maka gini in Igbo? Let's say it one more time. Maka gini. Come on, say it with me. Maka gini. That's how you say why in Igbo. So thank you guys so much for joining in on today's lesson. If you have any WH word or how words or sentences that you would like me to incorporate into my lessons, make sure you drop them in the comment section, and I promise I'm going to include them in my video so that you can learn how to say them and get a visual representation of how to speak this Igbo that we're doing, because we're all trying to keep this language alive, my dear. We're trying to keep it alive. So thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. Please, thank you. And hit that subscription button and notification bell so you get notification every single time that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye guys.